Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we created roof for our building. Now, in this video, we will going to create stairs in Revit and we will going to connect different levels. Stairs are used to connect different building levels. In Revit, stairs are intelligent elements that connect automatically. Stairs are used to connect different levels in building. In Revit, stairs are intelligent element that automatically calculate risers, treads, and height based on the selected levels. To create stairs, go to Architecture tab and click on Stairs. Revit automatically enters stair creation mode. Before placing stairs, notice that Revit shows different options for run. So you can create straight run and other shape runs. For our project, what we need to do is we need to create a straight run and then we will have a landing and then we will have the straight run back again. Here you can see that the location line is center and we are not taking any offset and the actual width of the staircase. So let us just cancel this one, and what we will do is we will calculate a few things before we start making the staircase sketch. So let's take a dimension that how much width you have got. So you have got 2570. So let's draw a line in between this and let's make a center line. Okay, and now how much space we have? So we have 1285. So let's say we will do 1200 mm of width of staircase. So let's pick this line, copy to say 85. Okay, and pick this line and make a mirror 85. So what you now have is you will going to have your staircase width 1200. Okay, on either side. Now when we have these sketch lines with us, let us create some space for landing. So let's create some lines, let's say 1200, and this will be our landing space. Okay, fine. Okay, now go back to the stair, and now we know that our width of staircase is 1200 and we are starting from say run right. So we'll pick from here and you can see that now the staircase is modeling from the wall edge, and you will notice that when I am moving forward you can see here, right, at the end what you can see is you have created the number of steps. So if I just undo and if you'll just notice here, if I pick back again the run, and you will see as I'm moving forward, it is telling me how many risers have created and how many are remaining. So Revit is automatically calculating the number of stairs for us. Okay, so let us see. So it is saying around 24 risers. So let us create 12 in first flight. Okay, and then make it from here. So now we have created this stair and Revit has automatically generated a landing for us. So let's see how much the width of landing. So it's 1200 And by default, Revit has given some railing. So let us first finish the sketch and let us go to 3D to see what we have just created. So let us turn off all the walls and you will see that Revit has created a staircase, but it has also created railings. So we really don't need the railing on this side because we already have walls. So we will just select this railing and hit delete. Okay. And if you don't want these, support, so these you can turn off this support. So we will go into edit type and from here we can turn off the supports. So we'll turn off these stringent support, we'll say none, and here also we'll say none. Hit OK. Right, so we just have the staircase with some railing. Right now, because the placement of staircase is not correct in the other direction, so we will just select our staircase and we'll use move command and we're going to shift it on the correct location. And if we go to this section, you can see your staircase is now done. So we have created a simple straight staircase with two runs. You might have noticed that Revit automatically created the desired number of risers and connected it to the level properly. As you already know that a stair consists of multiple components like riser, tread, run, railing, and landing. Always make sure that you connect your staircase from your desired level to the desired level, because incorrect level selection can create wrong stair heights. Hope you have learned something new. See you in the next tutorial.